If you're new to breathing exercises, this video is for you. Hey everyone! Today I'll guide you through 2 simple techniques to calm your mind and body. First, let's start by practicing this breath work. Sit or stand tall and get comfortable. You can close your eyes if you want. Start to breathe in 4 seconds. Hold 4 seconds. Breathe out 4 seconds. Hold again. Let's repeat one more time. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Well done. Now let's go to our breathwork routine. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. 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 We're done with the part 1 of this routine. Notice how your body begins to soften and your mind feels quieter. Now let's try another calming technique. Let's start by practicing this breath work. Start to breathe in 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Breathe out for 8 seconds. Well done. Now start. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. 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 Well done! Just a few minutes of mindful breathing can reduce stress, improve focus, and bring peace into your day. If you find this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could use a moment of calm. Don't forget to subscribe for more face yoga and mindful breathwork routines. See you in next video. Bye!